Hello everybody. It's been a while since I've recorded. You guys are gonna watch me clean out my room because what the fuck is this? I'm also gonna clean out my closet. I haven't done a closet clean out in probably years. This is gonna be part 2 to my room transformation video. I think that's what it's called. I forgot what I name my own videos. This one right here. Go watch it if you haven't. So yeah, part 2 baby. It's literally been a good minute since I filmed. After I filmed my performance video, which was back in November. That video was taken November 2nd. I think I posted like 3 weeks after. Those 3 fucking weeks have been filled with essays and shit. I have no idea what I'm doing in college. I'm just here. I kind of thought like if I go to college, you know, I kind of figure out what I want to do in life. I still do not know what to do in life. Last week I came home on Thursday. I flew home to find an email and that shit said, that was my sociology professor. I'm a sociology major. I'll fucking put the email. But I basically did my final wrong. But at least she gave me a chance to like redo it because then I would have failed the class. So yeah, it was a 14-page research paper. I had to rewrite the last 6 pages of it. And I pulled an all-nighter for that. I stayed up the whole night until 9 a.m. to do that paper. And no, I didn't procrastinate in doing it for once. I started a week early. It's like I just couldn't get it through my head. I didn't know what to write on the paper. I see the email, I just get so mad. Teacher says to have a Zoom meeting on Monday. It was a Thursday when I came. When I saw the email, it was actually Friday. I had to wait till Monday to redo it. Now to the part where you probably clicked on this video for. My closet. My closet is just sliding doors. Kind of wonky because I have no idea what happened to them. I've lived in this house for, it's not even a house, it's an apartment, my whole life. I do not remember being anywhere but this house. Let's start with the back. Why the fuck do I have this? I have no idea what this is still doing in my closet. This will obviously be donated. My childhood toys. Oh shit, okay. I think it was like this. I feel bad throwing it away now that I think about it. Not about the Dora. I don't give a fuck about the Dora. This one though, we'll put it in a maybe pile. There's fucking spider webs here. I still have Legos. You can see I have attachment issues now. I don't know if this was mine. I have more stuffed animals. I feel like I could put him on my bed. I think I used to call him Corduroy after the book. Corduroy. I only have tops in this side. So I'm probably gonna take them out and reorganize everything. This is super old too. This right here. You can see I still have like the stickers that I put as a kid. Those are my parents' things and I can't do anything about it. It's gonna take everything out. I found a graduation gown. Can you see how freaking tiny this is? Look! I took out all of my clothes. I think I'm just gonna donate a lot of it. I got this from Shein and this was a small. It did not fit me. It looked like a large. But yeah, it's freaking empty and this is what's up there. I don't know what that is. Oh, more toys. Nice. Think I have a violin back there. And I'm gonna take out everything from here too. I'm just putting all my clothes on my bed. I found my old drill uniform. It's inside out, that's why it looks ugly. But this was the cutest thing ever. You see, I paid a lot for this. And if I die, I'm gonna ask my mom if I could be buried in this. Here's like a picture of it. It's green and sparkly and so pretty. I fucking love this dress. I've never worn it because I was gonna wear it for my graduation. But I bought another dress and I was like, the other one looks better with a red gown. I have this full Guess bodysuit jean thingy. My aunt gave me this. I love it, but it's like super long and I still need to get it tailored. Have a pole. More bags. I have a whiteboard in here. More bags. Crazy. Nice, nice. I cleared everything out. And I see the violin, I see some baby clothes, and if you can see right there, I see a Snoopy. I know that's my mom's. I have this here, this white fur thing right here. Bought it from Walmart. Pretty good investment if you ask me. I don't know how I'm gonna get the rest of these things down. I'm pretty sure I have some notebooks in there and stuff, and it's really heavy. I don't think I'm gonna take any of that down either. So I had to cat proof my whole entire room because Miss Nala decided to make an appearance. Oh, oh. Say hi. Don't be rude. Say hi. Nala, Nala. She don't give a flying damn about this. So I'm just gonna start choosing my clothes. Yeah, these are all my clothes. This is the donation pile right now. I have these bags. This was my 8th grade bag. Can you believe this? I carried stuff to school with that little bag. What is she doing? She's just sniffing at my laundry. Okay, so Miss Nala left the room. I'm starting to put things back in my closet that I need. Not that I need so many dresses, but I have no other dresses. Do I really need these dresses? I feel like this color doesn't look good on me anymore. Or not that it ever did look good on me. This is from like 2015. Oh my god, it's the teal color. It's the light blue color that had a grip on everybody in 2015. I think it's from, y'all, it's from Kmart. That brand is from Kmart, right? Joe Boxers. Okay, you know what? It's time to let go of 2015. I guess it still has some purpose. Gap hoodie came back. I'm trying to color coordinate my closet. High school jacket. There's something under. Oh my god, it's my graduation dress. If you've seen my graduation vlog, this is the dress. Maybe I should put it in its own hanger now. Please don't ever tell me that jean jackets are ever going out of style. Oh my god, y'all remember 2017? I think we were all obsessed with like military jackets or something like that. Okay, I was wrong. Not exactly the green jacket, the green military jacket, but these ones that every fucking girl wore. Everybody wore these, right? I'm not the only one. I don't know what they're called. Every fucking bitch was wearing this. That shit had a hold on us back then. And I kept the jacket, by the way. Yo, what the hell? LA just turned foggy. It was sunny earlier, and now it's like cloudy. On the bright side, I have some of my clothes up. It's kind of color coordinated. The white and then pink, yellow. It goes to the cool tones. And I found this 2015. The same color that had everybody in a whole ass grip that everybody wanted. And I have it because I've never wore it. And I feel bad throwing it out because I have to at least put it on once. I think I'm done. Sorry, I had to turn like my flashlight on because it's getting super dark. And my light from up there is really bad. So I organized my dresses, and then here are all my sweaters, kind of color coordinated. I kind of tried, but I have shoes and I have this hat that I bought from the swap meet. I put back my backpacks up there. For here, I'm just gonna leave this here too because I pull it out. I'm not gonna be able to put them back up. These are all shirts that I wear, and I don't think I'll take anything from here because this is like the few clothes I have left here at home. The rest is like at my apartment, so I think it's kind of organized now. I hate that look though, but I can't do much about it, so I'm gonna just leave it there. Let me know if you guys have some ideas for this because I hate this. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching. Adios. Say bye to Nala too. She's in my dad's clothes because she misses him. Okay, well, bye everybody.